Kandela yena lapha ke Rihanna Hanamuk 92 baKhesibone lapha ngaku-18 Khesibone khabona phona kusanethene fika esichemeni samaZulu Keegan Allen indaba ezihle ngehlangothini ke lakhe bethela isichema samaZulu igondelo.
Devon Titus has been slipped through, puts it across the face. Barnes equalizes for Stellies. It's back to business for Barker's boys, and they are back in this quarter-final. And Sanele Barnes scores against AmaZulu again, to some personal cost.
Phakamisa uBarnes. What the goal! Ipraise yakhe lapha ke uSanele Barnes. Ehathisa uAtazwane uthi mara umsana lo. This boy. Shumani Putsaka Khesibone lapha ke AmaZulu aphuma lapha ke ngamandla nandithuba ngaka-18 khabona phona kusanethene Tebogo Mashego Taps Zangwana Bethangbethe wabakhulula wabachapulula uTebogo khupha ibhola njengoba ke ngikhuluma ke nawe njenganje yena lapha ke uLisibango Khesibone lapha ke nandithuba khabona phona kusanethene Langelihle Phili ongene emdlalweni we-extra time esiqulwini ke sokuthoma uLangelihle Phili 20 years from ukusuka lapha ke eChelinyama